In this video, we are going to demonstrate a fantastic feature for N26 app users: how to enable dark mode on your N26 mobile app. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to a sleek, stylish interface. Let's dive in. Before we explore this sleek feature, let's make this video interactive. Share your thoughts, app customization ideas, or any tech-related queries you have in the comments section below. If you find this video illuminating, support us by subscribing to Media Magnet Guide, hitting that notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up. Plus, here's an exclusive offer. If you haven't signed up for an N26 account yet, use my referral link in the description to create an account and embark on your financial journey. Enabling dark mode on your N26 mobile app is a breeze. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open the N26 app on your mobile device and log in if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the app's settings. You can typically find this in the top right or top left corner, represented by a gear or profile icon. Step 3. In the settings menu, look for the Appearance or Display option. This is where you'll customize your app's look. Step 4. You'll see a dark mode toggle switch. Simply activate it to enable dark mode instantly. Step 5. Feel free to explore additional customization options, such as adjusting font sizes or themes, to make your N26 app experience even more personalized. Dark mode not only enhances the aesthetics of the app, but also reduces eye strain, especially in low-light environments. Enabling dark mode on your N26 mobile app is a smart choice for a sleeker look and improved usability. We value your engagement, so please share your thoughts, app customization ideas, or any tech-related queries in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it enlightening. And remember, if you haven't joined N26 yet, you can use my referral link in the description to create your account and explore the world of hassle-free banking. Discover more tech tutorials and resources on mediamagnetguide.com. It's your destination for enhancing your tech knowledge. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.